KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 26th of September. I'm James Spann. Wet is the word today and tomorrow. In fact, some flooding could be a problem through parts of the state. Let's take a look. Here we go. Big, deep upper trough digging down across the middle of the country, pushing a cold front down this way, and a very moist air mass across the deep south. That was the radar this morning at 4:43. Rain was fairly widespread north of Interstate 20. And we have a flash flood watch in effect for the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama for today and tonight. That might be expanded more to the south later. That includes Huntsville, the Shoals, Scottsboro, Athens, Decatur, Cullman, Fort Payne. And this is the excessive rain outlook today. We have the standard slight risk for much of north and central Alabama. And again, this is not severe weather. This is for excessive rain. And again, that's a reason there could be an extension of that flash flood watch down to the south. Now, in terms of severe weather today, we've got a risk up over the northeast United States, not down here. Rain and flooding are a big concern. Tomorrow, a marginal risk to the east of the state. And on day 3, no organized severe weather expected. That's Friday. Rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain down here across the deep south and up around the Great Lakes. Rain for the next 7 days for most of the state, 1.5 to 2.5 inches. And a lot of that's going to be today and tomorrow. Check tropical weather very quickly. The ghosts of Leslie and Florence lurking about in the Atlantic. Those will probably not develop. But look who's back. Good old Kirk. After becoming an open wave, Kirk is now a tropical storm with sustained winds of 45 miles an hour. That'll be coming across the Lesser Antilles tomorrow afternoon as a tropical storm, and then it hits a very strong amount of shear in the Caribbean, and a good chance this dissipates somewhere below Hispaniola over the weekend. So we do not believe that will survive and be a threat to the Gulf of Mexico. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. Deep trough to the north, the upper high being suppressed down to the south and east of here. A cold front nearing Memphis. Rain and storms likely today. Rain can be heavy at times. We'll be in the 70s most of the day. Tomorrow, the front runs out of gas up around the northwestern corner of the state. So again, wet, rain and storms likely, highs in the 70s. Friday, the upper trough lifts out, the upper support weakens, and so the front begins to dissipate. And we'll still mention scattered showers and storms, but we stress they should be more scattered in nature on Friday. With the sun out at times, highs should be in the low 80s. And again, the GFS wants to push down some drier air in here Saturday. And if this is right, it won't rain at all for the northern half of the state. The day should be mostly sunny with mid-80s. And pretty much the same deal Sunday, but moisture will begin to creep back, so we're going to mention scattered showers and storms Sunday. We're still going to mention the chance of widely scattered showers Saturday. We'll watch for model trends, but certainly the weekend is trending drier with fewer showers and modeling here. And again, highs both days should be in the mid-80s. Go to Monday. Looks fairly quiet. Showers should be widely spaced. This is Tuesday. Again, that looks quiet. And this is Wednesday, a week from today, a new trough digging down across the Great Plains. And again, that looks pretty dry for us. We've got 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 5th, and another big trough coming down over the east. And, of course, the GFS advertised this to be happening now, and it's not. We'll see if that verifies. But if by chance that's right, we'll see cooler, drier air dropping in here. You can see a nice surge of pretty cool air for the season. The end of next week coming down across the plains, the Great Lakes, down into the deep south. But again, we'll see. Here are the numbers coming off the European ensemble. Highs in the 70s today and tomorrow, then creeping back in the 80s, with lows across the board mostly in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.